In this video, I will show you how Minexa.ai turns any website into usable data, making it easy to scrape financial institutions' data quickly and without coding. I am navigating to the cnmv.es page where the financial institutions are already listed. From here, just hit the Minexa.ai extension icon, and Minexa does the rest for you. The panel is open. Click the violet I'm on the right page button, and Minexa scans the page automatically to detect the financial institution's data. The navigation pattern is locked in, so every run covers the full dataset from the entire page list. List only for quick results, or detail pages for each result's full page. You decide what data depth you want. Standard pages use continue, advanced, if a form, filter, or button needs clicking before results appear to customize your scraping workflow. The highlighted area contains your data. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa finds every field and remembers it automatically. Minexa detected everything automatically with no setup needed from you. It captures data points like names, license numbers, and asset manager details accurately. If you write code, click API Request to get code that handles rendering, proxy rotation, and retries automatically for scaling scraping. Click Complete Configuration to validate and save the setup so your scraping job is ready to run. Minexa found the pagination button automatically, ensuring no data gets cut off beyond the first page. One click, and the job is saved. You can also set a schedule or connect to Google Sheets before running if you want. Hit Run, and the scraping job is underway, gathering fresh data from every page automatically. Every row here came from the right part of the page. Irrelevant content like ads and sidebars were automatically excluded. Typical data points include institution names, registration numbers, and asset managers, ensuring your dataset is accurate and focused from start to finish. Click Export to download the data, with each item in its own row and every field in a separate column. You just saw how fast this works. Anyone can get their first dataset in minutes, and developers can scale to millions of pages without changing a single line of code.